Human heart. Human heart has four chambers, two atrium and two ventricles. Part 1. Right atrium. Wall thickness 2 to 3 millimeter. It receives deoxygenated blood from three sources. Veins. 1. Superior vena cava, inferior number 2 inferior vena cava and coronary sinus. Superior vena cava brings deoxygenated blood from the body parts present above the level of heart. Inferior vena cava brings deoxygenated blood from below the level of heart. And this deoxygenated blood enter into right atrium. This deoxygenated blood enter into right ventricle through tricuspid valve present between right atrium and right ventricle. Present between right atrium and right ventricle. This is tricuspid valve. After entering the deoxygenated blood into right ventricle, chordae tendineae tightly closed tricuspid valve so that blood cannot backflow from right ventricle to right atrium. Number 2. Right ventricle. Thickness 5 millimeter. Right ventricle pumps deoxygenated blood into pulmonary trunk. Right ventricle pumps deoxygenated blood into pulmonary trunk. The pulmonary trunk split into two pulmonary arteries. And blood enter into right lungs and left lungs. After entering the blood into pulmonary trunk from right ventricle, the pulmonary semilunar valve prevent the backflow of blood from pulmonary trunk to right ventricle. In this way, blood enter into lungs, and inside lungs deoxygenated blood becomes oxygenated, and then from lungs blood enter into left atrium through pulmonary veins. Oxygenated blood enter into left atrium through pulmonary veins from lungs. Thickness of left atrium is 2 to 3 millimeter. From left atrium, oxygenated blood enter into right ventricle through bicuspid valve. This is a atrioventricular valve present between left atrium and left ventricle. After entering the blood into left ventricle from left atrium, the chordae tendineae tightly close the bicuspid valve so that blood cannot backflow from left ventricle to left atrium when left ventricle contract. Number 4. Left ventricle pumped the blood, for which blood enter into ascending aorta. After enter the blood into ascending aorta from left ventricle, aortic semilunar valve prevent black flow of blood from ascending aorta to left ventricle. From ascending aorta, blood enter into different body parts of our body. In this way, we get deoxygenated oxygenated blood. This is the process of human blood circulation. Special note: the wall between left ventricle and right ventricle is called interventricular septum, and the wall between note number 2, thin muscular portion between right and left atrium is called interatrial septum. The wall between atrium and ventricle is called atrioventricular septum. The wall between atrium and ventricle is called atrioventricular septum.